The Bosch Dishwasher E08 error code indicates that there is insufficient water in the machine's heater. However, a related issue is the E04 error code, which can be caused by incorrect filling due to a problematic inlet valve. To resolve this, one potential solution is to replace the inlet valve. Begin by unplugging the dishwasher from the power source. Then check for any damage to the valve flow meter and inspect the small filter inside the valve for blockages. If no blockages are found, replacement of the inlet valve is likely necessary. Before doing so, it's a good idea to confirm the water valve is functioning properly using a multimeter. While it's recommended to seek professional help, the inlet valve can be replaced independently by switching off the appliance, loosening the screws of the water supply, and removing the base plate to access the valve. From there, disconnect the electrical connections, replace the valve, and reconnect the electrical connectors to the correct terminals. Finally, tighten the clip, replace the base plate, and the repair should be complete.